In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Confluence, making collaboration and project management within your team even easier. Confluence is a powerful tool that allows teams to share information and collaborate seamlessly. Whether you're new to Confluence or have been using it for a while, organizing your users into groups can significantly enhance your workflow. So, let's dive right in. Start from your Confluence homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Confluence administration area. You can access this by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Confluence dashboard. If you have admin permissions, this will be visible to you, allowing you to manage various administrative settings of your Confluence space. Within the admin section, locate and click on User Management. This section is integral for managing how users interact with your Confluence instance. It's important to have a good understanding of user management if you're looking to streamline communications and permissions within your team or organization. Next, you'll want to find the Groups section within User Management. A group in Confluence helps you categorize users, allowing easier allocation of permissions and roles. This is particularly useful when you have a large team needing access to different spaces or needing to perform various tasks within Confluence. Once you're in the Groups section, it's time to create a new group. Click on the Create Group button. This will open up a dialog where you can define your new group. Here, you should think about the role and purpose of the group you're creating. Name your group something descriptive and meaningful so other users easily understand its purpose. For example, if the group is for the marketing team, consider naming it Marketing Team or something similar. After naming your group, you can start adding members. Think about who needs to be in this group based on their roles and the permissions this group will have. You can add members individually by searching for their names or usernames. This step is crucial as the members will have access to all the permissions granted to the group. Finally, once you're satisfied with the group name and membership, click the Create button. This will save your new group and its members, and now you're all set. You've successfully created a group in Confluence, which will help organize and manage your team's collaboration efforts effectively. Remember, groups can be edited and managed later, so don't worry if you need to make adjustments. With this new group set up, your team can now work more efficiently within Confluence, leveraging the power of collaboration tools to their fullest extent. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.